Here is part 2 of that assignment. So it's asking for area and perimeter of each shape. So the area of shape A is 21 units squared, because remember, area is two-dimensional. Area is length and width. What is the area of shape B? So let's find out the area of shape B by making smaller shapes. So let's add some color here. So let's figure out the red box. And then the blue box. And we'll figure out the green. And here's the yellow. And then the one on the inside, we'll make that purple. Hey, that looks really cool. So, red first. Red is 3 times 4, and that's 12. Blue is 2 times 3, and that's 2 times 3 is 6. Now, purple. Purple is 3 times 4, and that's also 12. And then green is 2 times 3, and that's 6. And then yellow is 4 times 3, and that's 12 again. So let's add this up. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 8. 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 48. So the area of shape B is 48 units squared. Now let's find the area of shape C. Cut that right there and count that. That's 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 times 6 is 24. And then this here is 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 times 3. 48. 48 plus 24. $72. The perimeter for shape A, that was done in the other video. The perimeter is 24 units. Perimeter for shape B. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. And the perimeter for shape C. One, 2. I'm going to count those by 2. Let's clean this off a little bit so we can see a little bit better here. I'm going to count these by 2, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So there's 24 to start, and then 1, 2, 3, and those 3. And now I'll count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And these 3, 1, 2, oh, that's 4 there. And then I'll do this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And add that up. Okay, I know that 7 and 3 make 10. So that's 10. So now I have 12. And 4 and 24 make 28. And now 8 plus 2 is 10. So there's a 0 there. That 1 there. So there's 3, 4, 50. 50 units is the perimeter. Thank you.